What's up, cooks? It's Wednesday. This year I had a little bit of trouble putting together my tablescape for Christmas just because of our current situation. I'm not freely able to go to the stores and shop around and look for things for my tablescape. So what I did is I took a few new items and a lot of stuff I had in my existing collection, and I put together what is sort of like a quasi silver and gold and Winter Wonderland tablescape. So join me. It's Wednesday, and let's look at my Christmas tablescape for 2020. So here is my tablescape. I started with a basic white tablecloth because, if I'm going with the Winter Wonderland, I need the snow, right? I'm using a round placemat from Target. It's a gray color. I'm using silver chargers from Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm using a plate that is white and gold from Fortessa. I have white napkins and a little gold napkin ring. And I'm using my gold silverware. You guys have seen these before. I use them quite frequently. I'm also using my lion's head bowls. So I got these years ago I think I got them at Tuesday Morning. I'm not sure. These things are really expensive, but I managed to get them pretty cheap. I've had this hurricane lamp years ago. I got it from Macy's. And this table runner is from Amazon. It's like a furry snow kind of thing. The only issue is the backing on it is not great, so it bunches up. And I had ordered this last year, so I really couldn't return it. I got these trees from Hobby Lobby, and here's our full table setting. These little deers I got from Pier 1, and I'm so sad that Pier 1 is gone now. This is I didn't have any water glasses, so I used these. So this centerpiece I got this year at Hobby Lobby. We snuck out and did a little Hobby Lobby haul before Thanksgiving. A lot of these flickering candles I got from Amazon. I'll put links in the description to those. The little trees I got from Hobby Lobby. I thought they were clear, but when I went to turn them on, they changed color. So I thought that was an interesting addition to the table. And here's our buffet in the back. I didn't know what to do here, so I put some random things that I've gotten. The Mary, I think I got from Kirkland's. The green or the gold cones I got from the Christmas tree shop, And these little luminaries I got from Pier 1. I figured I'd take a few shots with the lights off. Kind of difficult for my camera to pick these up, but I thought it was kind of neat how the flickering lights show on the wall. So Cooks, it's Wednesday. It's also 2 days before Christmas. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas. We are, of course, staying home, just the two of us, and we are looking forward to doing some cooking and having a great time. I hope you're able to spend your Christmas with your family and enjoy the season, because that's what it's all about. Again, Merry Christmas, and I hope Santa brings everything that you ever wish for.